So hi everyone. Sorry for not uploading videos for this week. So I thought I will upload permutations and combinations. So the thing is that I have my pain. Actually, I am having a lot of pain in my wisdom tooth. So you all know how painful it is. So I cannot go for extraction now because I have classes. So because of this pain, I have missed some classes also. So I'm sorry for that because I have not uploaded videos. I thought I will, and I know there are very few people, but there are very the people who actually watch my videos. So sorry to them, and I will upload. Okay. So upcoming week I have exams, so I have to study also. So that's it. So today's video is not about any permutations or combinations. So because in past week or so, couple of weeks, I have received so many messages that people are so stressed and everything. See, there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but still I felt like I should make a video on this. So thing is that it's okay that no one believes in you that you can achieve something, but you have to believe in yourself that you will achieve. Okay, so for example, let's take my example only, because I don't know some others examples also. There may be a lot of examples which are like far more better. Okay, but I don't have them right now, but I have my own example, as I always tell you my example. So when I was in Mumbai, actually we were apartment hunting with my roommate. So then I was thinking, for a lot of time that I will leave my job and I will prepare from gate and start from scratch or everything. So I was thinking for a lot of time. There we were apartment hunting. So there was so when you have to hunt for apartments and all, you have to down payment, and since it was Mumbai, the rent was lot. So I told her that, see, I cannot go for apartment or anything, okay, because I might leave TCS soon. I have already mentioned, see, I have used to mention them that I'll go for gate and everything. I used to mention people. So you know what, we were having lunch at some nearby some open restaurant, not a restaurant actually, a small you can say restaurant, I don't know what kind of thing you can say. So I told her, and she told me that you will not crack gate, no one does. Okay, so you are leaving such a job for preparation, so you will have nothing in life. Okay, so like that. Okay, so I was like, okay, so maybe in her point of view she said like that, in some good way she was like saying me that don't leave the job and all. So just like that. So if your friends are not believing in you, they are doing something else, like going for placements, having jobs and everything. If you don't, so it's okay. Okay, like it's okay if you don't have anyone who believes in you. So like that. So what do you think, like when I was leaving TCS and I left TCS, so people used to like think like what will happen to her, etc. See, I will say that I was lucky when I left my job. I obviously asked my parents before I leaving job, and my uncle, my mama. So these people are like pillar to me, so they never had any doubts in me. So that's, you can say that I am lucky in that way. So people generally, then if someone has problems, their parents are not understanding, so you have to tell your parents that, see, this you have to just, like in 3 dates, like I think most of you have watched, like Abba Nahi Manenge. So you can tell them that you are going to do well, so but you need some time, obviously, because see, gate is such a big thing, you have to prepare and everything. So if you're studying from scratch, it will take time. So it's okay that they are not believing in you. Do tell your parents about your dreams and all. So you know, I am still an underconfident person. So I remember that day Ravi sir, I was doing some classes. In between classes, I saw that Ravi sir and RBR sir posted a video. He showed how congested is Bangalore. So you know, most of my friends are actually, their base location is Bangalore. They are obviously in Kolkata now because of COVID situation. But I was telling my best friend that I have never been to Bangalore. Sir has posted, you have been through such traffics, right? So he was telling me like, yes, Bangalore is congested, but he likes the city. So I was telling him like that, maybe I can go to Bangalore if I get a job. Okay, So he was like, we'll get a job obviously, right? It's nothing like that. And so he used to tell me this before also, when I was like I always tell him that I'll not get anything for like years and years. So he always told me that मैं तुझे overestimate नहीं करता, तू खुद को underestimate करती है. So it's like that. It's my problem that I don't believe in myself that I can do something and achieve something, but that never stopped me from doing something. Okay, so like studying for GATE, for instance, studying for GATE. Okay, so we are mainly focusing on GATE, right? So so that didn't stop me from studying from GATE. So that's the main thing. So if people are not believing in you, see, the important people in your life is your parents. If you have a sibling, that's it. You don't have to face others and tell them that do believe me. So I used to avoid family functions, because I was so scared at when people asks that what she does. Okay, so in every family functions, my nickname is Pinky. Okay, so everyone will ask what Pinky is doing. So it's like that. See, if now someone asks me, I can tell you that yes, I am studying at IIT Kharagpur. So everyone will know IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so but before that, so like 6 months back, I had nothing, absolutely nothing. I had nothing to tell people that yes, I think when I was studying, I don't remember the name. I read a Quora article. I am avid reader of Quora. Even if I am the complement of bibliophile, I do read a lot of Quora. So I read somewhere that someone was mentioning he or she or them, I don't remember. So that person wrote in that Quora that preparing for such kind of exam is a full-time job. It's not doing nothing. Okay, so people generally think that when you are preparing for this kind of exams, that you are not doing anything. Okay, so this is the general thinking, but you are preparing for the for exam and you will get it. See, when I left TCS, I was 23 years old. Okay, so I like that year I thought I will try for 5 years. 28 I will try my best, and even if 5 years at 28, at the age of 28 I still am not able to get anything, I will do something whichever comes in my path. Okay, so like this. So I thought like this and I kept on doing it. So even if I would have not got anything this year, what I would have done, I would have still given GATE only, because see, I have put lot of effort in it, so I will keep on doing it. So that was my thinking, right? So if you have given your heart and everything to this preparation, you will get it. Okay, so if I can get something out of this exam, I have been telling you this, that you will get the best college, best stream. Okay, so that's that I wanted to say. And if you have any doubts, okay, so I know I am getting a lot of mails, and for the past weeks I think most of the people are telling me about strategies, and so they are worried. So like before I used to get mails about some questions like networking, say OAS questions. Now suddenly I am getting mails of so they are so worried. See, I know there are 4 months left, 4.5 months left, people are worried, but I don't generally make videos of this kind of videos, the general videos, but I am in like a shock. So what about those questions? So I am not getting any questions. All the time I am getting, most of the time I am getting, I haven't got any question. Honestly, I haven't got any question. LinkedIn, Telegram I haven't opened, sorry, mails, the things I am getting is now that I am worried what will happen, etc. This is things I have done, this is things are left. So I am getting this kind of mails. So please, you can send me. Okay, obviously you can send me. I am telling you to stop and don't take this thing so seriously, because preparation is must. Okay, so I know 4.5 months left, you are worried. I was worried too, because everyone is, whoever will get AIR 1, he or she or them is worried. They are worried also. So it is okay to be worried, but don't let this anxiety take over your preparation, because you have put a lot of hours, you have done your best. Now it's time to revise and do whatever subjects are left. Keep on doing. Okay, so don't like stress too much, because I have already mentioned that because of stress and everything I lost a year. So like, no, it will not affect like in the long run, that but but that kind of pain had in me, like anxieties and everything. So it was total waste. I am telling you, not to do that thing. Okay, so my main motto is telling you, please don't do this. Okay, keep on preparing, but don't do this anxiety thing or anything, sleepless nights and everything, please. So eat properly, eat healthy and everything. So keep on doing, and if you have any query you can always mail me. So yeah, now next week till Pujo I have exams, so I don't know how much I will be able to make time and make videos, but that's it. And I wanted to say happy Vishwakarma Puja to you all. So Durga Puja is also coming, so it's the biggest festival of Bengalis. So happy Pujo to you all, and enjoy these days. Okay, so even if you are preparing for GATE, enjoy these days. So like, because the subjects you have taken, these are really interesting subjects. Okay, so these are not boring subjects, so you can enjoy the path while you are in it. Okay, so obviously you will enjoy the journey, sorry, not journey, the destination, when you will reach the colleges, good colleges, but also enjoy the path also that you are now going through, because you are doing some interesting subjects, solving questions. This is an interesting thing. Okay, so don't this anxiety and everything ruin your preparation. That's what I wanted to say. And bye, and hopefully I will make videos soon. I cannot promise you right now because I literally have a lot of exams right now. So bye, and let's not make this video any longer. Okay, bye.